Hey, young scholars, Mr. Moran here, and I'm going to read you a senator's witness to the first battle of Bull Run. And this is from the website of the United States Senate. And we're going to skip the first two paragraphs and start right here on that third one. On the morning of July 21st, 1861, civilians from Washington rode out to Centerville, Virginia, to watch a Union army made up of very green recruits. This term, very green recruits, means these are not battle-tested soldiers. They're new and they just recently signed up to the army. They signed up for a 90-day war, marched boldly into combat. Men, women, and even children came to witness the predicted Union victory, bringing along picnic baskets and opera glasses. Opera glasses were like these mini kind of binoculars people had with them, and they're called opera glasses because people would take them to the opera so they could watch the people on stage. Bull Run soon became known as the Picnic Battle. Among the civilian ranks were some of Congress's most powerful senators, many of whom had called for just such a campaign. They quickly learned that war can be unpredictable. The Union Army performed well that morning, but by early afternoon the Confederates had brought in reinforcements, forcing an intense battle over a space known as Henry Hill. When Union generals finally called retreat around 4 p.m., the frightened soldiers fled for their lives. "I saw the 12th New York Regiment rush pell-mell out of the wood," commented one reporter. Soldiers threw down their weapons and ran from the battlefield, sweeping up civilians in the retreat. Near the battlefield, a group of senators was eating lunch. They heard a loud noise and looked around to see the road filled with soldiers, horses, and wagons, all headed in the wrong direction. "Turn back! Turn back! We're whipped!" Union soldiers cried as they ran past the spectators. Startled Michigan Senator Zachariah Chandler tried to block the road to stop the retreat. Senator Ben Wade of Ohio, sensing a disastrous defeat, picked up a discarded rifle and threatened to shoot any soldier who ran. Senator Henry Wilson distributed sandwiches. A Confederate shell destroyed his buggy, forcing him to escape on a stray mule. Iowa Senator James Grimes barely avoided capture and vowed never to go near another battlefield. Senators returned to Washington with gloomy faces, noted one reporter, where they delivered eyewitness accounts to a stunned President Lincoln. Only one member of Congress, New York Representative Alfred Ely, made it to Richmond that day as a prisoner of war. The Union Army's defeat at Bull Run shocked and sobered members of Congress, making it painfully clear that the war would last much longer than 90 days and be harder fought than anyone had expected. It certainly would be no picnic.